Hello Nora, this session is about landscape settings. Select height to build a mountain or valley. It has all the tools needed. If you look carefully, you have a yellow brush for this, and you can adjust the size and speed of the brush here. Use these three options for smoothing, roughening, and softening. You can save or load the created landscape by the menu. You can reset all the created landscapes by Flatten Landscape option. Also, you can use these two options to make ocean, river, and pool water. First, select the type of the water, then place it with one click. You can now move or delete it. To use the ocean option, you must activate it first. In this section, you can determine the color of the water by choosing two colors and combining them, or you can use ready-made presets. By using this option, you can change your landscape type. For example, I change my landscape to sand or snow. Lumion 11 Pro and above integrates OpenStreetMap, elevation data, and satellite imagery to provide rapid context and master plan content to a visualization. This feature makes it possible to import buildings, roads, water, green spaces, and transit infrastructure as simple 3D shapes. And finally, landscape graphs is used to make landscape graphs 3D. Use this option if the landscape is clear in your shot and you have a powerful laptop.